Let's make 150 together. You ready? 150 has a 1 in the hundreds place, a 5 in the tens place, and a 0 in the ones place. So let's think. Is 150 odd or even? Well, let's look at the ones place. It has a 0 in the ones place. When there's a 0 in the ones place, we know that the number is even. Let's spell out 150. 100 F-I-F-T-Y 150. Let's expand it. Expand it means let's pull it apart. Well, we already said 1 stands for 100, plus the 5 stands for 50, 5 tens, and 0 in the ones place. Let's see what that would look like. Here's my new 100 block. That stands for the 100. How many tens did we say were in 150? That's right, 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's what 150 looks like. 0 ones, 100, and 5 tens for 50. How about what comes before 150? Well, 49 comes before 50, so 149 comes before 150. 149, 150, 151. Good job. What's 10 less? Well, let's look at 50. 10 less than 50 is 40. But don't forget, we're up in the 100s now. So 10 less than 150 is 140. 140, 150. What's 10 more than 50? 60. So 10 more than 150 is 160. Good job. Let's see, part whole for 150. Well, we already said if we have 100 and we have 50, we can split it apart. 100 plus 50 equals 150. What's another way to do it? Well, I have some coins here. Let's see, we know that if it's equal, we can make 2 equal groups. Let's see how many quarters equal 150. We have 25, plus 25 is 50, plus 25 is 75, plus 25 is 100. 4 quarters equal 100 or $1. Let's add another quarter. 125, 150. So 6 quarters equal 150. And I know I can split that 6 up into 2 equal groups. Here's 3 quarters on this side. Here's 3 quarters on that side. So let's see, what do 3 quarters equal? 25, 50, 75. Do I have the same over here? 25, 50, 75. That means that 75 plus 75 equals 150. All right, here comes the challenge for one of my little buddies. Part whole. Let's see, how could we do that? Well, we could go over here and borrow the 100 and put 100. And let's think about 50. We just made 50 with 2 quarters, didn't we? 2 quarters equal 50 cents. So what does 1 quarter equal? 25. So 100 plus 25 plus 25 also equals 150. I just took this one over here and I took one of the numbers and I made 2 equal groups and split it in half. 25 plus 25. We already said that 6 quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, equal 150. At home today, I want you to think of a different way to make 150 using coins. And let's finish off with number line. Look at these big numbers. Here's 150 over here. And I want to see how many jumps it'll take to get to 144. Well, let's take a look. 144 is less than 150, isn't it? So I have to go backwards on the number line. I have to start here. Remember, we put a circle where we start, and we're going to go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now remember, I put my arrow where I'm stopping or where I land. So don't put an arrow on all of these like I've seen on some people's work. Make sure your arrow goes at the end because this shows we are going backwards on the number line. We are subtracting and taking away. The circle is where we start. The arrow is where we stop. So how many jumps is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 150 take away 6 or subtract 6 is 144. Practice some of these at home. Those are kind of tricky. Use your number line because you're already really good with 10 frames. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.